a quadratic function. The height of a thrown ball is a quadratic function of the time it has been in the air. The graph of the quadratic function is the parabolic path of the ball. The vertex of the graph is 1, 20, and the path of the ball includes points 0 and 4. What is an expression that defines the function? Write the quadratic equation in the vertex form and in the form of y is equal to the ax squared plus bx plus c. But first of all here, let's take some pen. First of all, here we are trying to find the loss of what we have given. The given is a vertex here, and is the point, a point in the graph. So the vertex, let me write v, and the point is 1 and 20. 1 and 20. And the point P, let's write it with a P, the point, is 0 and 4. 0 and 4. And the quadratic equation in the vertex form, the general form of the vertex function is y is equal with the a, the stretching or compression factor, vertically, times x minus h, the horizontal shift, which is a square, and the vertical shift, which is a k. So this is the formula. And now, if we want here to, let me make this. And now if we want to find this point, the coordinate point here is, this is x, this is y. And the vertex, this is h, and the other coordinate is k. And now if we want, but a is unknown. So in order for us to get this in the vertex form to write the quadratic equation, we need to find the a, h, and k. All these parameters we have to find. All these parameters we have to find the numerical values. So now, first of all, let me take, instead of the y, coordinate y is 4 here. So it's a 4 is equal, and a is unknown. Because I have all of those x and k and h, all the known numerical values, so I have to solve this equation for a, and we can find what is a. Instead of the x, I have a 0, so I'm plugging here 0. The sign is a minus. Instead of the h, I am plugging here 1, and this is a square according to the vertex formula of the quadratic equation, and the k is a plus 20. So now what I'm going to do, now we are going to solve this problem. But because here we are going to solve for a, we isolate a in one side. So what I'm going here, I'm going to subtract by minus 20 this side, and minus 20 the other side. And now 4 minus 20 is minus 16. Okay, and this is equal. 20 with 20 I can cancel. Those are going to cancel because they are the same item with different sign. And 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, but minus 1 squared is 1. 1 times a is a. So here is a. And the vertex, the quadratic equation in the vertex form is equal. Instead of the a, I already have minus 16. We already got it. And because we found it, we can write here. And x is a x minus, and h is 1. So it's 1. This is a square. Plus k is a 20. Instead of the k, I'm plugging here 20. So according to the question here, what is the expression that defines the function? We already found the expression that defines the function. Y, I wrote a y, but in the fancy way we could write with the f of x. But even if I write with a y, I don't think is a big deal. And now says write the equation, the quadratic equation in the vertex form. So already we have in the vertex form. This is the vertex form. So we got it. But it says, and in the form of y is equal to x squared plus bx plus c. But this one we didn't get it, so we have to work a little bit more. And if we plug in the function y, what we had before, that is equal with minus 16, okay, and this is x minus 1 square, x minus 1 square plus 20. So this was the vertex form what we found of this quadratic equation according to the given what we had in the word problem. So the ball travels with this equation. This equation describes the travel of the ball that goes from in this pathway. So here is the vertex, we already see, and then we have to write this equation in the form of y is equal to the ax squared plus bx plus c. What we have to do here, first of all, let write in the parentheses what we have x minus 1 squared, let write in expanded form, and this is a 16. And when we write in expanded form, let me write here y is equal to minus 16 because I have enough space. I don't have to save the space. Minus 16. Let me erase this everything. X minus 16, and now instead of the x minus 1 squared, I'm going to expand, which is a x squared minus 2x plus 1. Minus 2x plus 1, and in the end I have a plus 20, plus 1, plus 20. And y is equal, so now what we have here, x squared minus 16 times x squared is minus 16x squared. So this is the first term. Second term, minus 16 minus 2x, negative is a positive, but 16 times 2 is 32x. 32x. And minus 16 times 1 is minus 16. Plus 20 is plus 4. So now we found that the y is equal, in the form of a y is equal to the x squared plus bx plus c. So this is the vertex form, what we found here. And this is a standard form, or in the form of y is equal to the ax squared plus bx plus c.